kuan, binigyan kami nito.
Mama, kinsa magkana na?
As.
Kita?
So, hello guys. Ito na lang yung natira ng ating apple candy, guys. Ayan. So, binigay ni Sis MJ sa akin, guys. And then, thank you Sis MJ. Kanang di-share din niya iyahang blessing namo, guys. That's it, guys. Ito pala yung apple candy. Harap. Sarap siya, guys. Gustong-gusto ni Sophia and Joanna. Ito pala yung activity ni Ethan today, guys. Ano ito? Ano ito? Render. Ito. Merry Christmas! So, yeah, ito yung mga ganap ni Ethan. Tapos ito. Tapos, ihahang namin to, i-decorate namin since Christmas ngayon. So, i-decorate namin to. Mamaya ko na siya ihang. So, alright guys, that's all. So, tapusin ko lang muna to, tapos balik ako dun kay Ethan. Bye guys. Hello guys, Joanna and Sophia. Okay, nagawa sila ng cookie.
Open mo, please.
And kuan. Para ibigay sa kanilang friends.
Anong party? Christmas party.
And for ang iya din cookies guys is for the Christmas party. Move it pa. And then ito na yun guys, managawa na sila So ayan. Tapos dito, tapos si Sophia is mixing the brownies. The brownies. And diba, ang dalawa dito guys na si Mister is bumili siya dito guys sa Dollar Tree kaya mura lang naman ang Dollar Tree. So ito, ilalagay na ko sa loob ng box. And then meron ding paper bag. Dalawa lang lang. Dalawa lang yung paper bag. Ha?
Ang daming chocolate na.
Dalawa ka paper bag? Ano pa mo diba? And then ito guys, bumili siya ng mga ano ba tawag to lang? Container? Ha? Container?
Ang container.
Bumili siya ng mga container para ilagay dito yung brownies. Ano yung ibigay mo lang? Brownies and cookie?
Yan, fudge.
Fudge. Brownies, cookie, and fudge daw guys. So, dito na ilagay. So, bumili si Mr. sa dollar store. Meron pa lang ibang dito guys, paper bag. So, ayan. So, ganoon si Mr. So, sila na yung nagluto dahil marunong na si Sophia magluto. Dahil si Sophia, Joanna is, tinulungan na lang niya yung kanyang kapatid. So, ayan. So, sila na nagluto dito guys. Malaki na talaga. Maraming dito guys. So, ayan lang guys yung update ko kayo mamaya pagkatapos na to. Pag ilalagay namin doon sa box. Bye guys, see you.
Uy, meron pa.
Look, mix it first. So, hello guys. So, nagkain na lang kami ng guys, kanang pizza para hindi na kami magluto dahil nag-bake sila ng kanilang cookie. Ni Joanna dito yung guys, yung kanang mga yung cookies pa lang. Yung cookies. So, magluto pa sila ng fudge. So, ayan. Ilan, 4 pieces there. So, ito yung para sa party nila daw. Ito yung para sa kaibigan niya. So, ito yung sa party niya. Ayan. Para sa kanyang party. Si Sophia yung nagluto. Then, tulong-tulong lang siya. Kainan natin. Kain tayo ng isa, guys. Guys, kain tayo. Kain tayo, guys. Diba? Ako yung unang kumain. Luto na din yung kanilang brownies. Slice pa yan. Yan si Sophia din nagawa. Tinuruan lang siya ni Mr. Binigyan lang siya ng instruction. Magawa niya naman siya ng chocolate fudge. Tulungan siya niya, Mr.
Ma, where's the pan?
Well, $600 utilities.
We're going to get Ethan, guys. Hello, guys. We're going to get Ethan.
We're going broke, guys.
My husband is gone. Please view our channel kay my husband is broke. It's Christmas. We need to do shopping.
Sushi burrito in front
Na
of us.
broke daw siya, guys. So na late me guys. So late me og 1 minute. So, bye guys. See you later. So hello guys. Ethan is here. So namaak na naman siya guys. Ano bang tawag? What's the Tagalog of namaak? Bite ba?
Do what?
The Tagalog of bite.
You do that?
Binabite yun niya yung kanyang teacher guys sa arm, and then
Quit that.
sometimes is kanang mahirap i-handle si Ethan pag frustrated. So ayun guys, we're heading to get a food, french fries. My husband didn't have lunch kay he's broke.
Broke, I got no money, can't eat.
So that's why I'm vlogging here, so I can
That's
earn
not the
just
truck
a
driver.
cents, dollar
Don't
cents.
move his ass. Come on,
Dollar
dude, let's
cents.
go.
So after is we're going to kuan guys.
Haircut,
Get
Mike,
haircut.
Bank. Make payment.
Adto sa Mr.
Pay on
sa
the
bank.
credit card.
Punta siya ng bank guys, make a
All
payment.
bills maxed out, man.
Ang daming bayarin dito guys. So nagtatrabaho para sa mga bayarin. So ayun guys, then mag-haircut silang dalawa ni Ethan. Alright, see you later. We're eating french fries. Ang kaon si Ethan guys. Huh? Here.
Yeah, come on. Your brother, 16 years older than I am. Alcohol.
Doon mo, bebe.
It takes two, they've been bleeding so bad, it takes 2 units of blood in.
Oh my goodness.
Supposed to be getting, supposed to be in line for liver transplant or something. If you swing in this crossway,
Ethan.
let's stop swinging, get off somewhere, straight on them roads up, but that's it.
Really?
Such a good, you know, such a.
I just ironed it. It's dry. Thank you, Ethan. I just only cut it by myself. Yeah. Ethan, I like the Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Look at the Christmas tree, babe. Ito na naman kami sa Mike's guys, after ng haircut. So hello guys, so mag voice over lang ako dito guys dahil meron silang music, then maka-copyright ako, and then itong mga nila guys, mga clothing nila is $5, and then every time talaga na magpa-haircut si Ethan at si Steven, yung husband ko is dadaan talaga kami dito, titingin kami kung meron ba kami mabibili. Bili kami ng guys, fake na plants. $65. Ayan. Ayan. This nice for the plants. So ayan guys, yung mga magkano ba yan? Magkano to? $20. $20 yan siya guys. So Christmas gift daw yun ni Mr. sa akin guys. 5 yun siya guys. Ayan yun. Oh, 185. 185. Nagbayad na si Mr. guys. So binilhan tayo ng guys, fake na plants. Tingnan nyo yung mga kahoy guys. Yung color. Tulog si Ethan guys. Natulog. Si Mr. dito guys. Diyan lang niya pinapasok. Yan. Tingnan niyo yan. Ate yan. Tapos dyan. Lagay niyo dyan. Tapos ayan. Papunta na siya doon. Ayan.
He's sleeping already.
Yeah.
He's sleeping already. Can you believe that? He's already sleeping. My wife.
Yeah, I know.
You know, he like passed out, didn't he?
Yeah. Shop guys. Dinadrop ba ni Mr. yung ano? Yan. Need help?
Look like you did it probably.
Yes, that's heavy. So, ayan. Drop by kami dito guys. And then ito yung binili niya. Kasi balik natin. So, tapos na namin i-drop off yung mga plywood at saka yung machine. So, pauwi na kami guys.
Oh my God.
Ang lamig. So, let's go home. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin guys. Yung shop is 2 minutes drive. Dan tulog na tulog. So, ayan na guys. Oh, maganda siya guys. Oh. So, dyan ko lang siya muna siya nilagay. Ayan. Adiyo. Hindi ko siya ilalagay guys dahil parang kunin to ni Ethan guys. Yan lang muna siya. Bayan lang natin ito ilagay pag okay na.